Good evening friends, this is Pradeep from Trading Clan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video, we are going to see the Nifty predictions and Bank Nifty predictions for coming Wednesday. Before going to the video, if you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and please click the bell icon for further notifications. Please do like and share with your friends and post your comments. Okay, now we are going to see the Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions for coming Wednesday. First, we will open the Bank Nifty predictions first. Let us open the Bank Nifty in our trading view window with the 45 minutes time frame chart. So this is the Bank Nifty trading setup which I have made already. Here I have made the support 1 as well as the support 2 and resistance 1. So we are having 3 things are there. Support 2 is okay. Then support 1, it was earlier it was act as a resistance. Now onwards it will be act as a support. So that one I will change into support 1. On the top side we are having the resistance 1. So these are the setups we have made here. So here I am going to do one more checkpoint here. This black line I am going to draw one black horizontal line, that is I am named as a checkpoint. I am expecting the Bank Nifty will go further till this checkpoint and it may get retraced. There is a possibility for there. This checkpoint value also we can note it down now. I am expecting Bank Nifty will go further. Right now it is trading at 35,200. Maybe another 150 points it may go upside and then it may get retraced. That there is a possibility or there. We need to see that one. If it is going further upside, then it will go and it will touch our resistance point. So that is possibilities are there. We will see the candles and we can take up our trades. This checkpoint is one of the important point we have to notice. Bank Nifty can, if the checkpoint breakout, Bank Nifty can go further upside movement till our resistance 1. So here I am expecting upside movement for Bank Nifty. Normally we will make without conditions. We are not doing our predictions. So for this also we can make our conditions. Here I am going to make 2 conditions for this upside movement continues. The condition 1 is it should not break the checkpoint. After crossing this checkpoint, it should not break this checkpoint. That is my condition. That means the candle should not come below this checkpoint. That is the condition. Here I mentioned as the condition 1. Should not break the checkpoint. So that one we can change it as a condition 2. Now we can make the condition 1 is should break the checkpoint in the upside direction, and bracket we can make after touching of this checkpoint it may get retraced. That is first possibilities are there, that condition. If it is not retraced and it is going further up means then that is the second condition. The checkpoint should not get break up. So here I will explain each and every steps so that easily can understand. And for if the script is moving upside means then we can have a very good targets in the upside directions. We can keep 35,700 is the target, or the resistance 1 we can keep. If these 2 conditions are satisfied, then Bank Nifty can hit our resistance. Expecting the Bank Nifty will move in upside because there is no rejection people over here. So till our resistance there is no rejection. So I am expecting Bank Nifty can move in upside directions and should touch this checkpoint first. That is the first condition. This checkpoint, that is 35,350 is our checkpoint. That checkpoint has to touch first, and there is a possibility for getting retrace. Here I am going to draw the retrace here. after touching of this 35,350 there may get retrace. Script can go in downside. That is possibilities are there. If this is not happened, the script is continuing moving in upside after breaking the checkpoint and it's moving in upside means then we can have very good targets in the buying side. The second condition, should not break the checkpoint. Market keep going in the further upside and it should not break this checkpoint means then we can have a very good targets. Till our resistance 1 we can have a target. So if it is going up like this, then we will be having very good targets are visible. This is the checkpoint should not get break. After crossing this checkpoint, it should not get break the checkpoint. So that is our condition 2, and we can have a target of resistance 1. So approximately we can keep it the target as 35,700. That is possible or there. Another 400 to 500 points possible or there. Market can go in upside direction and it can hit the targets of this 35,700. We can make the target here. If these two conditions are okay, if two conditions are satisfied and script is moving further upside means then we can have a very good target of 35,700. Approximately 400 to 500 points we can get it off. This is what my analysis on Bank Nifty. Let's see what will happen in the real-time market and we will update in our WhatsApp group. Now we will move to the Nifty predictions. Already Nifty went very peak, so I got some rejections over here. This is my setup, Nifty setup. See here I have only 3 lines I am keeping this for Nifty. So right now we will do some changes in the setup. The first changes is a resistance line, that is we can keep it as the same resistance line, that one as called as 1, resistance line 1, that one we can make it as resistance line 1. This resistance will become as support further. Here I am going to draw this one, this line. So this one I am going to convert into green color. So this resistance is not required, so further it will be acting as a support line. So I am going to change this one as a support 1. So and meanwhile still this line was acting as a resistance, now it will convert into the support line. So now I am going to draw a support line here. This is called my support 2. Right now Nifty is at very good resistance points, so there is a very less chance for moving up further for Nifty. I am expecting Nifty will go in downside and it will hit our support line 1. So expecting the Nifty will go in downside because you can see the resistance line 1. So that is a very good resistance over here for Nifty. So this resistance line breakage is quite difficult. I am expecting Nifty will not go further upside and it will hit our support line. That's my expectation. And for this downside movement I am making the conditions. The condition is should not break the resistance line 1. That is the very simple conditions we are going to make it here. So tomorrow if the market moves in downside direction we can take a put call for Nifty and we can have a very closer tolerance, very closer stop loss will be there, that is our resistance line. So I am expecting the Nifty will go further down and it will hit our support line 1. This is possible over there. If it is going above this resistance line means we have to see where we are getting some resistance or not. Right now it is in full peak, so we cannot predict the heights. Right now we can have only this is the maximum resistance. Maybe future we have to see the market and we have to define, because Nifty at all-time high. So right now I am expecting the Nifty will go in downside and it will hit the target of 15,990. So I am going to draw here, expecting Nifty in the downside directions, and only the condition is it should not break this resistance line 1. If it is breaks and it's moves further, then we have to see and we can take up the trades. We will updates in our WhatsApp group. This is my Nifty predictions as well as the Bank Nifty predictions. Let's see in the real time market what will happen, and we will take up the trades. We will update in our WhatsApp group. So finally we are concluding that expecting Bank Nifty in the upside direction 35,700 and expecting Nifty in the downside direction 15,990. Here I could see controversy trades for Nifty and Bank Nifty, because I don't see any resistance for Bank Nifty, but I can see resistance in Nifty. That's why we are keeping like this. Let's see who will win tomorrow. And thanks for watching the video. If the videos are useful, please do like, share and subscribe. Please click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you and grow with us.